Hey you guys. Okay, real quick recap on my week. I know you guys haven't heard from me. I haven't did any videos lately, because if you follow me on Instagram, I recently did a video on doing a walkthrough on an overnight account 7 days a week, and it's at a really fancy hotel. So to fill you guys in on how that walkthrough went, we got the contract. Woo! Okay, so we got a 7 day a week contract working at this hotel, downtown area, and it's an overnight account 7 days a week. It's been really draining dealing with this account. So right now, me, my assistant, and my kids, whenever I can pull them out the bed, are doing this account all the way until I find the perfect person to put in this account, because what I'm dealing with now is it's really challenging finding people to work overnight. You know what I'm saying? And this is a huge account for us, and we just have to put the right person in it to make sure that they're not sleeping on the job and they're actually doing their job. And it's really not bad. And I like to do the work first so that I can see, so we can see how long it really takes to do this. Now that we know, because we've been doing this account for a whole week now, we know that it takes 2 people 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours sometimes, but not too bad. So that means if I hire one person for this position, that one person will be working 6 hours, okay, a day. Okay, it's really not a hard account to do. We're doing a lot of mopping, sweeping, and restrooms. That's what we're focusing on. When we first come in, we do the lobby area, and then we move. It has three levels to it, and I'm gonna show you in this video. I'm gonna take you guys on a walkthrough on everything we do on this account, okay? Because I know you guys want to know, just in case you are interested in doing overnight accounts at a hotel. Okay, this particular client found us on Google, so it's really important for you guys to have a online presence. I always talk about this all the time. It's really important for you guys to have an online presence, because these people, when they look for cleaning companies, they're searching your Google reviews, they're searching how active you are on your social media. They're searching around. So our last meeting that we had, he told us that after he met us, he just went ahead and canceled the next 2 cleaning companies that he was supposed to meet with, and he was just excited just to work with us. So I was like, okay, go, let's go. This particular contract is being contracted out to our company. Okay, now I usually don't do subcontract deals, because a lot of times it's really not much room for profit. Okay, but they shot some numbers at me, I shot them back and said, nah, that'll never work. The first number that he brought to me, I was like, no, that'll never work, because that would keep me physically working in the business, and that's not what I want to do. So after negotiating, we finally came up with a solid price that worked for me. Okay, so when we came up with that price, I was like, okay, I might be able to work with that price. I might be able to do that. So now, anyway, we are in the process of hiring for this account, this overnight account. I'm either going to put 2 people in it, or I'm just going to stick one person in it and see how that works. I'll probably just do one person, because 2 people, 3 hours, I got to make it worth somebody's while getting up out of bed and working at this hotel. Okay, you don't want to pay people crumbs like $10 and $11 an hour to drive and get out of their bed at 11 o'clock, because see, this account has to be done between 11 p.m. and 8 o'clock in the morning. Right now it's 7:23. We're just getting finished with this account, and we got here at 5 o'clock in the morning, me and my assistant. So we actually got done pretty early today. Now What else did I want to say about this account? You got something you want to add? No? She's shy. Okay, with that being said, guys, I'm going to show you guys, take you on the walkthrough and show you guys exactly what we do on this night account, okay? Let's go. Okay, you guys, this is actually the third level that we clean when we get here. Normally, when we get here, it's like 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock at night. But today, we decided to come early. We came at 5 o'clock in the morning, okay? And what we do out here, this is called the rooftop. They have a fireplace right here. They have the bar area right here. The only thing they want us to concentrate on is the floors on this level, the floors. See? So this is usually what I do last. They want us to concentrate on the floors. I might wipe off the tables, dust off the furniture they have here. Get underneath. If you look underneath there, I don't know if you can see underneath that chair. Maybe I can, yeah. See the trash right there underneath the chair? Those are the type of things that we focus on. And this floor is really dirty. Ugh, you see how dirty the floor is? Yep. So this is what we do every day. Every night. This is my overnight account. And we have to have it clean before 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay? So, right here, beautiful, beautiful view. Da-da-da-da. Let's get the water over here. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful view. You can see the boats. Yes, it is so beautiful. Come over here. My assistant is over here mopping this area out. But if you come out here at nighttime, it is so beautiful, y'all. They have the fireplace going. They even have celebrities up here. The first night we came up here, they had Tyler Perry's film crew up here. Yes, I was looking for Tyler Perry, y'all. Okay. So the only thing we do up here is the floor area, and then we'll go inside the hallway, and I'll show you how that looks. Just a few. Okay, you guys, so this is the first level, which is the lobby area. We usually clean this area on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Those are the busiest days. So when we're cleaning the lobby, it's really simple. It's kind of like a general clean where we'll vacuum the rugs, we'll wipe off the tables. We have a long duster where we'll dust the hardwood floors, and then we will mop, and we spot clean the windows there. You know, we're not wiping the whole window, we just kind of spot clean the fingerprints and stuff like that. And we pick up any trash, any cans, soda cans or whatever that the guests might leave. We pick those up. We straighten up the pillows, and we make sure all the rugs, there's a rug over here by the door that we have to vacuum right here. And then after that, we're basically mopping out. Yep, pretty simple. There are 2 bathrooms located in the lobby, and we also clean those 2 bathrooms as well. This usually takes me and my partner 1 hour to complete. Not that bad, huh? Okay, so the next level is the restaurant. This is the wonderful restaurant that we do. We're not cleaning the whole restaurant. We're mainly just focusing on the floors. They have nice, pretty hardwood floors here, and they basically just want us to come in and dust mop and mop all of the floor area. We do a little spot cleaning to the windows, the front entrance windows, and we also clean 2 bathrooms. And when we clean those bathrooms, we